Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great fifth wheel value from Parkway RV Center, and just traded for this 2012 Dutchmen Denali. This is a 36-foot long triple slide, 2-bedroom, bath and a half model. I think you're really going to like. Got some pretty unique features, and I got to do a couple of things to it, but all in all, it's a very affordable family fifth wheel. Weighs 9,600 pounds. Excuse me. Model number is a DE324LBS. That's a mouthful. And I apologize, folks. I'm out here in this rain. Try to go over it real quick before I get any lens water on my camera lens. I've got my hand over it, so you might see in the edge. I'm sorry. 9,600 pounds, triple slide for $16,900, includes warranty. And I was down here shooting a video on another one, so I figured I'd run over here and shoot this one real quick and have my fifth wheels up to date for the moment. Clean, good color scheme on the outside. All right, let's go inside before I ruin my new camera. Power awning, which will make sure it works great. Got a little flip down outside kitchen with a stove and a sink in it, and hot and cold water. Whew. All right, guys, I'm gonna wipe my lens off just in case I got something on it. Alrighty. Alright, now guys, I apologize. I'm just doing this one literally on the fly. So I don't have any power on it. But this has got a pretty cool floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, but it's got a loft. And you don't hardly see that for $16,900. You've got this big table booth that's going to make a bed 2 adults can sleep in. You've got a sleeper sofa here that makes a bed 2 adults can sleep in. So you can sleep 4 in the middle area. You got the TV in it, big flat screen TV, 8 cubic foot nor cold refrigerator freezer. No smoke or pet odors. And I apologize, it's a little dark in here, folks. But see overhead cabinets. Good wood cabinets. Got solid surface Corian countertops. 3-burner stove top, shows very little use. Let's go up here to the front bedroom. You got steps stepping up into here. And I'm going to point out one thing, guys. People that traded this in, for some weird reason, they took the mattress off the loft and the one off the front queen bed and swapped them. So this thing, I'm going to swap it back when I get a chance, but this is actually the loft mattress. That's why it looks so skinny. It goes in the loft area, and then the big mattress goes right here. So you've got 2 roof airs, 50 amp service. You've got another TV in here, if you can, which I doubt you can see it in the corner, but I've got a little flat screen, about a 19-inch little flat screen TV, maybe 21-inch. Over here in the corner, it's a mid-profile fifth wheel, so it's tows better behind a single wheel truck. You know, you don't have to have a dually truck for this camper if you don't want one. You've got the big closet and slide out, nightstand, plug-ins. Like I said, you got a little TV up there in the corner, which you can't see, and I'm sorry. And I may reshoot this video when we get finished with it and get some power ran to it. But side bathroom, got a toilet, got a big stand-up shower. Look around the skylight, looks great. And this is the master bath, and then you got another half bath in the back area. So let's walk toward the back. Again, folks, I'll show you the loft real quick. Again, this is the mattress up here, so it's a lot thicker for the front queen island bed. So obviously this is a queen bed up here, and it's going to be a lot roomier looking with that standard mattress up here. But you got a queen bed up here, got a vent, ductwork for heat and air, plenty of lighting. Ideal for 2 people. And you can put a little TV up here too. It's got a place for a mounting bracket right there, and obviously it's never had one. There's no holes in the wall. So step down underneath the loft bed, and you've got a 2nd bedroom with a couch that makes a full sleeper sofa. So you can sleep 2 adults here, 2 up top, or 2 kids and 2 up top. Place for a TV. It's already got the mount, so it's real easy to add one, or if you want a price on one, we can do it for you. Probably put like a 32-inch in here for a couple $100. And you've got a second bathroom. Now, one thing I'm going to point out, folks, we had to fix the floor in here. This toilet had a leaking valve, and we caught it, fixed it, of course, but it hit the floor and it damaged the floor. We rebuilt it. It's sturdier than what it was when it was new. I just have to get my guy. We're going to lay some new linoleum in here so it looks nice and professional, but we just hadn't had, my carpet crew hadn't had a chance to get to it yet. So probably by the time you look at it in person, it'll have new linoleum on it. You'll never know that was there. But other than that, this thing's nice, guys. So a couple things I got to do to it. But heck, folks, for $16.9 with a warranty, you really can't go wrong. And you know, we're going to clean it up. We're going to put it through our shop, go through the extensive checkout process, which is 4 pages long. And this is actually a very comfortable and cozy fifth wheel. I mean, great for a family, and it can sleep up to 10 people. 2 in the front, 4 in the middle, and 4 in the back with the loft bed and the sleeper sofa. Plus have that extra bathroom if you need it. And even if you didn't need it for sleeping, that's a great storage area back there. You know, I know a lot of people are buying these fifth wheels with this particular floor plan to live in because you don't need to buy an extra storage building. You've got your storage building with you. If you don't need that bedroom for the space to sleep other people, take that sofa out, take that mattress out up top. You've got a heck of a storage area for all your stuff. So why rent a storage building and carry it with you? And also you can use it for a hobby room, for a man cave or she shed, yeah. Or whatever you need it for. I mean, an office, you know, if you work from the road, you can have you a nice, comfortable, big office with its own bathroom. I mean, you can do a lot with it, guys. You can remodel it to suit your needs. I do recommend, though, on a 2012 model, if you do remodel it, keep your original furniture so you can change it back to factory condition when you trade it or sell it. It'll actually increase your resale value if it's all original. But, guys, this is a nice fifth wheel for what it is. Guys, it's not going to last long at $16.9. I mean, this is the buy for what this is. It's lightweights for you single wheel guys with single wheel trucks, even some of the newer heavy duty half-ton trucks. This may be, your truck may be heavy duty enough to tow this. And I've got a tow guide on my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. You can put in your vehicle information, and it will tell you what your truck can tow. And you can push a button, it'll show you every RV I have in stock, every towable RV that you can tow. With very handy feature. Get a lot of compliments on it now. Let me go ahead and do a disclaimer. It's a third-party service, so I have no control over what they put on there. It's deemed reliable, but not guaranteed. So some point before you buy an RV based on what the tow guide tells you your truck can tow, you're going to have to call your tow vehicle dealer service department, give them the VIN number, and find out what your vehicle is rated to tow if you don't already know. Don't play around with that, guys. I'll tell you something. You never want to overload your tow vehicle. If you do, if you have an accident, you're in a whole heap of trouble. Let's just say that, and chances are your insurance company is not going to honor the full coverage insurance on your fifth wheel or whatever you're towing. So don't play around with that. Check, verify, and double verify what your vehicle can tow. That's the best advice I can give you. And I've had a couple of customers that, believe me, wish they would have took my advice when they got to, because they did. Over the years, I've had a couple of customers get into accidents towing campers and fifth wheels that were heavier than their vehicle was rated for. The insurance company paid the claim except the value of the camper, which was a total loss. So that cost them a bunch of money because they didn't do their homework. And the bad thing is, you ask 10 different dealers what your vehicle can tow, you're going to hear 10 different answers. Call your vehicle dealer, get it from the source, and use the tow guide for now just so you can get an idea before you start RV shopping what you can tow. And keep in mind, the tow guide that I have on my website also has an allowance for luggage, water, propane, and essentials. So it's not just going by the dry weight, it's actually adding several hundred pounds to that and factors that in. So very handy tool. I'm glad to have it. A lot of people love it, so definitely can help you out in your journey to your next RV or your first RV. Anyway, guys, this one weighs around 9,600 pounds. I'll put the exact weight in the video description below, as well as on the website, parkwayrvcenter.com. I'll put a handy link to our website, our fifth wheel page, in the video description below, and you can check it out. Nice fifth wheel. I really think you'll like it. We get in here, clean it up, put some new linoleum in the floor, swap those mattresses out, put a bedspread on it. It's going to look really good. Get some lights onto it. But it does have the dual roof airs. And it's everything you need, really, for a family. You know, and if you don't have that big of a family, say you got 1 or 2 kids, you know, what do kids want to do? They want to bring friends. You got room for everybody. And technically, it's a 3-bedroom camper because you can count that loft as its own separate bedroom. So, technically, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fifth wheel for $16,900. I mean, that's it's pretty good, guys. Nationwide delivery is available up to 100 miles. Local delivery is free, of course, complimentary with purchase. And we can assist you with a fifth wheel hitch if you need it. Now, we no longer install or recommend you install gooseneck adapters on the camper itself. Now, as far as I know, the ones in your truck are safe. So if you've got fifth wheel, if you've got a gooseneck ball, there are several different ways you can put a fifth wheel hitch on that gooseneck ball. But we do not recommend the gooseneck adapters no more, folks. They're not safe for long-term use. They're okay for occasional use, but what's happening, people are buying these things with the gooseneck adapters and full timing, and they're eventually wearing those adapters out, not realizing it, and causing accidents. Hadn't happened to one of our customers, but it's getting to become pretty common knowledge that that's what happens. They're not designed for permanent use. They're just temporary at best, but people are using them for permanent. So do recommend you go with a regular fifth wheel hitch, tried and true method, in your pickup truck bed. Or if you've got a gooseneck already, there are some particular brands of adapters that go in your truck bed that, as far as I know, are safe. But now keep in mind, check with your auto insurance company, because right now most auto insurance companies are not putting insurance on campers with adapters on them. So make sure you check that, because buy it, call to get insurance put on it, find out you can't get insurance on it because you put an adapter on it. So please verify that. Again, going back to what I said earlier, always do your homework. I mean, we'll do everything we can to help you out, give you advice, but at the end of the day, it's still your responsibility to know what your vehicle can tow and to safely tow it. Thank you for watching my video, folks. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to sit here and brave out this rainstorm for a little bit. And, you know, we do offer financing with approved credit and down payment. We also offer, like I said, discount nationwide delivery. Just give us a call. Tell us where you want it sent to. We'll give you a quote. And all we ask is that you just cover our expenses. We don't make money on delivery, guys. If it costs us $800 to bring it to you, we're going to charge you $800. We're going to charge you whatever it costs us to get it there and get my driver back home. So make sure you call for a quote if you want delivery. And my guys are very, very experienced. They've literally towed thousands and thousands of miles, thousands of towing miles under their belt, all areas of the country, in all weather conditions. So my guys are good, guys, and they're experienced, and very, very fortunate and blessed to have the delivery crew I have. I mean, these guys are awesome. Best I've ever had in the 20-something years that I've been here. And anyway, guys, if you have any questions, give us a call. 706-965-7929. Call ahead before coming to look to make sure it's available. Parkway RV Center, 51-year-old family-owned and operated RV dealer. Been in business since 1968. We retail 500 to 600 used RVs a year, and we sell the crap out of these things, guys. Don't believe me? Go to my YouTube page. Look at all the videos on there that say sold. And I just started doing videos in 2010. And you know, I don't show videos on everything we have for sale. I try to, but most of the time they get sold. A lot of them get sold before I can get around to shooting a video. If you have any questions, call us, email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. And like I said, subscribe to my channel. And come out and visit with us. We're located at 5568 Battlefield Parkway in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia, which is 15 miles south of Chattanooga, Tennessee, 120 miles north of Atlanta, Georgia. We're in northwest Georgia tip, right before you hit into Tennessee. Exit number 350 on I-75. Get off the exit, turn west. We're a mile on your left. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 Eastern Time. Saturday, 9 to 5 Eastern, and closed Sunday for the Lord and Family Day for my employees. And we are closed most holidays, so please call ahead if you're coming on a particular holiday to see if we're open or not. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.